winning it is one of the newest classic jets to be put onto the British Civil Register and take to the air for the first time in UK civilian hands for quite a while. Now Peter's going to bring the candidates in to our display centre point to give you a final bow. He has a great view out of the cockpit. He's very well able to see you waving at him and showing him how much you have enjoyed his display. There's the bow, and he's coming in for his final pass. And I expect him now to rapidly reverse direction and come in for a very short landing. He can land in just about 3 meters and come to a stop. I think he can get there through the weather. So we're going to see him depart. So for the RAF Grog Tutor to display today. So keeping things flexible, we're going to move straight on with the next item, which is the first of Duxford's heavies that we've got on the programme today, the larger warbirds from the in the attraction of this site.